Are you looking for the top 5 paintball hoppers for every budget and skill? Are you tired of missing shots because your paintball hopper just can't keep up? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Apekio Paintball Marker Barrel Swab. First up is the Apekio Paintball Marker Barrel Folding Double Swab Squeegee, priced at just $14.95. What caught my eye was its soft, pure cotton material, which promises strong cleaning power. If you want a reliable way to keep your marker clean and functioning well, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The Apekio swabs are made from pure cotton, meaning they're gentle on your barrel but tough on dirt and paint residue. With dimensions of 16 by 0.8 by 0.8 inches, they fit easily into most marker barrels to ensure a thorough clean. Plus, the plastic rod can bend without breaking, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny. With over 200 units sold in the past month, it seems like people trust it for their cleaning needs. This matters for you specifically because a clean barrel means better accuracy and fewer jams during play. Now, some people complained about these swabs being a bit too soft, worrying they might not clean as intensely as firmer alternatives. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use them properly, they actually do a fantastic job without damaging your barrel. So while it's not for the super messy situations, it's still a solid pick for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you're someone who plays frequently and values keeping your gear in top shape without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something more heavy-duty for intense cleaning sessions. For the price, you really can't beat this value. Now, if you're looking for paintballs that make cleanup a breeze, the next option takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Gobley's Throwable Paintballs. Next up are Gobley's Throwable Paintballs, available for $25. What immediately caught my eye was their unique design that allows you to throw them like water balloons. If you want something fun and easy for casual games or parties, this is definitely worth a look. These paintballs are filled with colorful goo and have a seaweed casing, meaning they're not just fun to throw, they're also environmentally friendly. You won't have to deal with any messy cleanup afterward since the dyes wash out easily. This feature is crucial for anyone who wants a stress-free experience without worrying about stained clothes or litter. Plus, they're packaged in liquid to keep them hydrated, so you can dive right into the fun without any prep. With 200 units sold last month, it's clear people are excited about them. Some reviews did mention that the goo can be a little sticky, which may not be ideal for everyone. But honestly, if you're using these for casual fun, a bit of stickiness is just part of the game. Just be sure to wear play clothes and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking to host a fun outdoor gathering or just want a playful addition to your paintball sessions. Skip this one if you're serious about paintball competitively and need traditional paintballs. For the price, you get a lot of laughs and fun. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious players who need reliability and speed.
Product number 3. JT Hopper. Now we're looking at the JT Hopper, a budget-friendly option at just $5.54. The clear spring-loader lid caught my attention because it makes quick loading a breeze. If you want something simple that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. The plastic construction is lightweight but durable, holding 200 paintballs at a time. This means you won't need to refill constantly, which is great when you're in the heat of battle. The clear lid lets you see how many rounds you have left, so you're never caught off guard. Honestly, for players just starting out or those on a tight budget, this is a reliable tool that ensures you can keep shooting without hassle. However, some users pointed out that the plastic could feel a bit flimsy, especially if you're used to sturdier rottles. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're a hardcore player who often takes dives or takes heavy hits, this might not be the best fit, but for casual players or beginners, it's a fantastic value. This is perfect for you if you're new to paintball and want an affordable no-frills option. Skip this one if you're looking for something more durable for intense play. For its low price, it's a great entry point.
Now, if you need an upgrade that combines speed and feeding efficiency, the next product is a must-see. Product number 4, Tipman 20-ounce CO2 tank. Next up is the Tipman 20-ounce CO2 tank, priced at $32.95. What really stood out to me is the quality that Tipman is known for. If you want a reliable tank to keep your marker firing steadily, this is worth checking out. The CO2 tank includes a pin valve and meets or exceeds AS standards, ensuring you're getting a top-notch product. A full 20-ounce tank means you can play longer without needing to refill, which is especially important during intense matches. If you're serious about your paintball experience, you don't want to be caught with an empty tank. With over 50 sold last month, it's clear that players trust this for their games. Some users did mention that the tank can feel a bit heavy, especially when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, a little extra weight means more shots per fill, and once you're in the game, you won't even notice it. For those who prioritize performance over weight, this is a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and durable tank that won't let you down during play. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter setup or are just playing casually. Overall, it's great value for serious players. Now, if you're ready for something that really amps up your game with technology, the final product is a must-see. Product number 5, Valken VMAX Electronic Paintball Loader. Last but not least is the Valken VMAX Electronic Paintball Loader, coming in at $46.98. What really grabbed my attention was its high-speed feeding system, which ensures you won't miss a shot during fast-paced play. If you want to keep your game in full swing, this is definitely worth considering. This loader holds over 200 paintballs and is designed to feed smoothly without jams, which is crucial when you're firing quickly. Made from impact-resistant materials, it's built to withstand the rough and tough environments of woodsball and speedball. The tool-free maintenance makes it easy to clean, so you can stay in action without hassle. With its universal fit, it works with most standard paintball markers, making it a versatile option for any player. This is a solid buy, especially with over 2,000 reviews indicating its popularity. A few people noted that it requires two 9-volt batteries, which aren't included. While this might be a minor inconvenience, I think the performance you get outweighs the battery hassle. If you're someone who plays regularly and relies on speed, this is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're competitive and need a loader that keeps up with your firing pace. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something simpler. For those serious about paintball, it's worth every penny.
So, to quickly recap, we started with the Opkio swabs for keeping your gear clean, then had some fun with the Goblies paintballs, moved to the budget-friendly JT Hopper, checked out the reliable Tipman CO2 tank, and finished with the high-speed Valken loader. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Valken VMAX because it delivers speed and reliability that serious players need. Avoid the JT Hopper if you want durability and are playing more competitively. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.